the siding.
Right. So
I think in order to rectify the back, they're gonna have to buy some hardy plank
and fix it,
and
right?
fix that
Right.
and this is missing the fascia board.
And so
really, that's missing.
It might
the whole
be
fascia
it might
board.
be the better thing to do for you,
Yeah.
because I'm writing you out that it's going to have to be scraped and painted. So these paint jobs have to be scraped and repainted. So whatever you want to do to make that work.
Right, because that
that's
was
like,
never painted. It's just
right,
missing the board.
Right, but if that wood is not pressure treated,
right,
that's an issue, because the elements,
okay.
the wind elements and the
yep.
cold and the rain. So
yep.
you might want to replace that.
Okay.
And then this all has to be like scraped and repainted. So to your point, do you want to just put up a new fascia board and take care of all that?
Yeah.
Is that what you know what I'm trying to say?
Yep.
And then here, I took this too, so take this one, because, I mean, I know it's missing some stuff, but like the part that's not missing is scraping off.
Right.
Okay?
Yep.
So, you know, maybe you want to just scrape it and repaint that.
Right.
Okay?
Or just repair that.
Whatever you want.
Yeah.
And then this is definitely painted.
Okay.
So let's do that too. That was the front stair.
Okay.
And then that whole door, you see the trim, you see what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
And then this,
Good.
I think I would just repaint it.
Yeah, that's painted.
Yeah, so
that's painted plywood.
Just scrape that.